Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Synod College ha kasngi pale jong katayo kalayo ban Rakhe ka Jingdap san phunyo Snem ha ka jingseng ya ka ne ka jaka pule ya ka balapan lang ha auditorium ha ka ne kasngi u Dr. WR Kharlukhi MP Rajya Sabha ula long u kongsan bad haba ai jingkren u Dr. Kharlukhi ula ong baka college ka penken mau yo u ya ka Jawaharlal Nehru University ha ka ba kalapan mi shibon ki breu ki balong kinong san perthai U Dr. Kharlukhi ubadai ru unong hikai bala shongthan nakaneka college. Ula ong ba ukermen baka college kan nang yaisa kanam ka kerteng kum baka long. Ha ka ju ka por uba miral bons iem ubadai udakhot jong ka college. Ula pen pau ka jing sngo khia ha ka bedai bat ka jingkiu bat ka jingkerni jong udrang. Ula ong ru baki samla ki badan ha khaput ka jila Meghalaya bat Assam ki langop ha udrang. Ha katai ka sngi ka college kalale buram ru ya ki laingut ki samla ki bala pas bah ha ki jing pule jongki.
And I remember those days because after so many years I visited this college, except in 2019, if I'm not wrong, this was program during college week. I had a privilege to be here with the students, with the faculty member, to be together. But I feel proud that Synod College, in the journey of 57 years, that it has reached to this height. I'm proud to see that the college has produced so many entrepreneurs, so many good teachers, so many politicians, so many good human beings who have contributed so much to the society at large. And I'm thankful to the governing body, the KJP Synod, that time, and now the KJP Synod secretary, all the pastors, the elders who have been there through thick and thin in this long journey of the college where it has been today. At the same time, I want to place on record my sincere thanks to all the faculty members, those who are still here and those who have retired and those who have no more also. And I'm thankful to all of them, even myself also. I'm like this today is due to all of the teachers who have taught me so many things during my college days. And Synod College is one of the premier education that has produced the student, individual, to serve the state as a whole. And I am proud here that today also our chief guest, Dr. Hima, Kharlukhi, have been the professor in this college in the past. Now, as an honorable MP of Rajya Sabha, we proud also that we will hope that God will give you strength, wisdom, that you will take forward many issues that has to be brought into the notice of the central government for the benefit of the people at large of the state. At the same time, as a legislator in the state, for myself also, my sincere request is that let us work together. We have many issues that is around each and every one of us. If we look at the issues, problem with unemployment, with the issues of the teachers, with the issues of law and order, with the issues of many issues, economic activities, social activities that we have been through. But I would like to place on the call to each and every citizen of America. It is a time that we have to come together, to keep aside differences that we have in community, in different levels that we have to go through. But it is the time that we have to unite. Kung bisa kunriu, menghapuni, anything about when we have to menjadi kunriu. But it's time that we have to come together. We would like to see the society progress. The safety of women and children is very important. We have to work At the same time, I would like to stress on another issue is with regards to environment, the global warming, which is there. We have to see and spread awareness, especially in the rural areas, as much as we can. At any level, the opportunity that we have to spread awareness, how to make our environment green and clean, to get rid of plastic, plant trees, to preserve the natural beauty of our environment, and God has been blessed to each and every one of us. It is a time that each and every student will have to come forward, to work together, to see that our environment will be there together. I would love to see the Synod College will take initiative to different programs, be it a student or exposure trip to different areas of our state, be the messenger of change for the climate change, how to preserve environment. We would like to see days to come in collaboration, the college in collaboration with the government, with different departments of the state government, to work together, so that we would like to see in days to come that we'll have a green environment, that we can breathe peacefully, because I'm afraid that those days will come, that we'll have problem to have a safe drinking water, we'll have problem to have a clean air to breathe. So it is a time that we have to work together. The teachers, the faculty members who are here, there are lots of issues and problems that we have been through. Let us work together for the betterment of the community, of the student at large. And we would like to see that Synod College will produce more and more brighter students in days to come. And I wish all the best to the management, the governing body, each and every one of you, and especially to the students, even though they are not here, we wish them all the best in the exams and the semester. And we wish all the best so that they could do better in days to come.
And I feel it's a great honor to be in this college, which I used to taught before. Well, Mr. Mirabon here, when I look at our college, today I was sitting, it reminds me of the Jawaharlal Nehru University. You know, Jawaharlal Nehru University is a breeding ground for political leaders in India. So if you look at the college, we have two chief ministers from the college. One is our colleague. Of course, they were no longer with us. Another was a student of the college. And of course, we have ministers and a member of parliament too. Of course, one was my uncle. He's no longer with us. And luckily for me, maybe because I'm in this college, so I got an opportunity to be a member of parliament. And when we have also a professor in the university, we are proud of that. He is sitting in front of me, who was a student of this college, and there are also professors who used to teach in this university. We became not only as colleagues, but it seemed as if we are a family of the Synod College. And that's why I realized that in my life, I have come across 4 families. One was the place I was born into, then the place in which I later got married, and the Synod College. And from there I learned. And in our National People's Party, well, I would like certainly with us, but of course different. we call ourselves a family of the NPP. So I find that this is really helped, really work as a family. And I'm proud today, maybe because of that Synod College had achieved an accreditation of A grade, and also maybe because of that, today for 4 years we are leading the government of the state, and I do expect with Sir help again, we will be again in government in the coming election. So What I have to say for Synod College today is, please keep it up. And I really like the spirit. Though you are at university, you remember your college. And me also, though I'm out of the college, I remember my college. So we'll keep the spirit up, and I hope that college, Synod College, just as our motto, will be going higher and higher. Thank you very much.
Kami yang mengingat